share my screen. Okay. Students, can you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We're able to see.
Yes, sir.
Last class we have seen dehydration of an alcohol, and the result will be the alkene. According to the Zaitsev rule, you will be uh, judge this which is major and which is minor product. And on continuation of the following topic, no, now I'm just moving to this a little bit deeper in the case of dehydration of an alcohols. Okay, so look at this compound. It contains four-membered cyclobutane ring. Okay, apart from this, alkyl group is attached with an alcohol moiety. Suppose if you add an sulfuric acid dehydrating reagent, first step is the protonation of hydroxyl group and it will become OH2 plus. Then water molecule will be eliminated and you will be obtaining a positive charge. Here, what happens? There are two advantages is there when the ring expands. Okay, does anybody knows why the ring expands here? Does anybody knows why ring expands? Anybody?
Four number ring for stability only, no sir. And tertiary and it becomes tertiary. Sorry,
See, the
tertiary
main
carbocation.
reason of expanding four-membered ring here is ring strain is high in the four-membered ring compared to this five-membered ring. Okay, when ring expansion takes place, automatically four-membered ring will become five-membered. So the ring strain will be relieved. That is the reason. Suppose when we are continuously working exams and all other stuffs, everything, and if you give us some break and go to the somewhere as relax for 2-3 days, then it will be kind of a relaxation. Same, the molecules here is four-membered ring. It's a lot of strain will be there for the ring. Okay, so the molecule finds a way to relieve the strain, so it moves ring. A ring expansion takes place. Okay, that's the reason. First one, and second one, if the ring expands, obviously this is secondary carbocation and it moved to this tertiary carbocation. So that could be one of the reason, another reason. So once the ring expansion takes place, obviously you get a positive charge here, obviously, and then next is obviously deprotonations. You will be getting alkene systems. The more substituted alkene system you will be obtained. Okay, so always give a numbering. Students, see 1, 2, 3, 4, because when you draw it, that will be easy one. Okay, when your ring expands, obviously fourth carbon and second carbon is attached. See this 2 and 4 is attached. So 3 carbon and 4 carbon is breaking. So there is no ring, there is no bond. So this is the way you have to do it. Better you give a numbering and expand so that you will be perfectly right. Okay, so it is easy to understand. So this is one of the deeper reaction of this hydroxyl group within sulfuric acids. So this is one of the problem based on this dehydrations. Students, did you able to understand this problem?
Yes, sir.
Others, please, apart from Sanjay, others, Jeevan.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next one is similar kind of a problem, that here you have a 6-member ring. Same, then you have a sulfuric acid. First step is the protonation. Then the second step, loss of water molecules. Obviously, you get a secondary carbocation. But here, if the ring expands, what will be the ring size? Here, if the ring expands, what will be the ring? 7-member.
Heptane, sir.
7-member ring.
Cycloheptane.
Yeah, but the 6-member ring usually very stable one, very stable compared to even 7. So the molecule does not want to go ring expansion. No, wherever we are comfortable, we would like to stay there. No, so many people after studying, they would like to stay their home state. They don't want to be shipped anywhere to work. They don't. Some of them doesn't like. Okay, do not like. But people, those who are comfortable, they will shift. Similarly, the molecule 6-member ring is very comfortable compared to 7-member ring. So ring expansion doesn't take place here. But the question is there any possibility of forming tertiary carbocation is the next question. So this is a secondary carbocation. So here hydride shift, 1 to hydride shift will taking place. Hydride will be moving here and this will be positive charge. This is tertiary carbocation. So listen, why it happens. Everything you should be have some reason of driving the molecule towards this stable product. Okay, so in organic chemistry, first you work in the lab and synthesize and then go for a characterization. Once you get the product, what is this and this, then you have to give an explanation. That is the most important. When you want to publish American Society journals, definitely you should give a reasoning. Otherwise, your paper will never be accepted. It will be 5 referees, not only one. 5 experts has to be analyze your paper, then only your paper will be accepted. So hydride shift, 1 to hydride shift will be there. So once it moves, obviously here you will get a carbocation which is tertiary. Then the deprotonation to form a alkene. According to Zaitsev rule, this is the more stable product also. Because this is shift and everything happened because of the stable product driving towards a stable product according to Zaitsev rule. Even if you just look at, if you loss of proton here and form alkene here, that will be not the stable product, alkene. Okay, compared to this product, this is according to Zaitsev rule, more substitute will be more stable. So according to Zaitsev rule only these things are driving. Okay, see, first time when they obtained, probably even many of them expected the other product, and I'm talking about first time when a scientist was working or research student is working, he, professor maybe expected same product maybe before analyzing very deeply. Okay, this will be the first product, but this is according to Zaitsev rule. Is it much stable? No. According to Zaitsev rule, is it stable much? According to Zaitsev rule, is it stable?
The
Anybody from the class? Yeah.
double bond is not much.
No, because more substitute will be more stable. You already know that. Okay. So that's why that product doesn't form. The product doesn't form. But the other driving opposite, opposite directions, the molecule moves according to the more substituted compounds. Okay. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now, okay, the first product, kindly write the mechanism of this one. Everybody, first one. Everybody, first one, please write it quickly. First one. Kindly write everyone the first one. I would like to see. Please all of them write the product mechanism. Product is there. All of them please write down. Jivan, you are working?
Yes, sir. I'm doing it.
Tara?
Yes, sir. I'm
They,
doing it.
Chikita and other people.
Yes, sir, I'm doing.
Kartika,
Yes, sir.
yes, today's screen is visible now. Hmm. Kindly do it, all of them. Once you finish, kindly show to me because you need an experience of this kind of a problems. Quick. Anybody? Say anyone finished? Please let me know. Kindly switch on your video and then show me. Number 35. Are you writing? Number 35. Are you writing? 35. Are you writing or not?
Sir, completed once you check.
Okay. 33. I mean angle. So what is this called? Methyl shift. What it means?
I'm not able
Methyl
to understand it.
methyl
For,
shift is
for stability of carbocation,
stability of carbocation. Hmm.
tertiary is highly stable, so that
No, no.
carbocation.
Okay, you're right, but that place, please always write 1,2 methyl shift.
Okay, you
Okay, you should
mean
write
shifting? Okay, I should write. Okay, I will.
like a hydrate shift. You should write 1,2 methyl shift. Okay,
Okay, sir.
it's very important. When you write 1,2 methyl shift is very important. Anybody else? Anybody else? Jivan?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
One
please.
1 minute. Let me on switch
Yeah,
on my
yeah.
camera.
Okay. Yes. Next is shifting. Good. Okay, Jivan. Good.
Clear, correct,
That
sir?
is correct. That is called 1,2 methyl shift because it's happening because of what Sanjay said, tertiary carbocation. Okay,
Yes, yes, sir.
is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes, good. So number 5, Vaishnavi. Number 5, Vaishnavi. Have you done or not? Number 5, Vaishnavi, have you done or not? Or you in the class or not? See, those who have done, please done the last problem. Sanjay and Jivan, please do it the last problem.
Yes, sir.
Question.
Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi, have you done it?
Sir,
Your? Number 5, have you done it or not?
no, sir,
Kartika?
I'm doing.
Doing. Kartika,
Yes,
number
sir.
8,
Yes,
finished?
sir. Sir, I'm not getting, sir.
Why? Which step you are stuck? Which step you are stuck?
Sir, I'll again do, sir.
Okay, do it. Okay. Number 5, 27. Are you doing or not? 27. 27. Are you doing or not? Number 4. Number 4.
Yes, sir.
Did you finish? Did you solve the
No, sir,
problem?
I'm doing.
How
I'm
long
doing,
it
sir.
takes? It's very easy problem. I have not given hard problem. Whatever I taught only, in that only I am giving the problem. Anybody else finished? Quick. Vaishnavi, do you know or not? Or you stuck anywhere else? You switch on your video. Are you doing or are in the class or not? Tara, did you finish? Tara is not there.
Yes, no. Only
Why?
half I got.
Hmm. Sanjay, you got it? Second one?
One, sir, you said to do last one, no, sir.
Last one only. That
Doing.
expansion, expansion.
Yes, I'm doing, sir.
Anybody? Is the one last, Sanjay? Why late this much?
Sir, I tried the last one. I'm not sure if I'm right or not.
Okay, sure. Show me. What is the third step? Just little down and move left side.
Clear, sir? Now?
No, here why how you will get a positive charge? Because once it goes here only positive. No, wow. Where is the carbon?
do-
Exactly. Where you
It is
got
on the two. Two. It is on the two, sir. By mistake.
No, 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 no. It is wrong.
Instead of here, it will be here.
There will be positive charge. Then
Yes, sir.
what happened afterwards?
Afterwards, 3 and 4 will get 3 and 4 will break, sir.
Break and
C3,
write.
C4. I wrote, sir. C3,
Where?
C4 breaks. Then C2, C4 forms.
Where it break? Write breaks and write the structures. Where is the structure of breaking? No, directly you are writing double bond product. No, no,
Okay.
no, no.
Broken structure also have right, sir.
Broken you have to write. That is the most important.
Okay, sir.
That means you are directly. If I don't give a product, will you write?
Sir, sorry for network issue.
You are getting positive charge here. No. Move here this bond. You have to show like this. Then here you will get a positive charge. Then minus H plus. You can give anywhere else minus H, this side or that side. It is 7-member ring. That is equal to same structure whatever is given in this in the that's it. Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
because you have to move double bonds. Just I never give marks like that last step if you write. Okay, if I don't give the product,
Yes,
what do you do it? Okay, important is error sheeting. If you're good organic chemist, error sheeting with the reasoning. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, do the last problem. Do the last problem. What is the product? Predict the product.
Yes,
Now, most of the time, if someone gives predict the product with mechanism, it's a trouble. At least if you give a product and write a mechanism, you can guess something. But if they don't give a product, there may be possible of writing a wrong product also. Accordingly, you will draw the structure. And sometime you may be correct. That's it. 50-50 chance. Now draw it.
What this, sir?
The last one, mechanism. Third one.
Sir, one show question.
Yeah, I'm showing, no? Not
One
visible?
show that.
Not visible?
Okay. Okay. For this, I thought in that sequence.
I think you have network issue.
Yes.
Sir, we can see your sir.
Okay. Third one, where my cursor is there, you predict the product with mechanism. Kartika, you're not getting huh?
Yes, sir.
Why you don't understand, huh?
Sir, this one I didn't understand, sir. I'll work on it, sir.
Okay. Those who are a little bit late pick up, at least work it on your home. Okay, work it these problems in your home and just take a screenshot. I think I already posted this one in the MS Teams. I think you just go through and
Yes,
work.
sir, you posted.
Yes, you work slowly and then understand. I understand all of them do not have the same capturing ability, Some of them slow, some of them very fast. As possible is there, but those who are little slow, at least go to your home and see the screen and then start working in your home. If any problem, you just contact your friends. This is the problem and how I can solve. Those already solved. Okay.
So once you check and see.
Yes, please, Sanjay. No, not nothing is visible, Sanjay. Nothing is visible. Nothing is visible, Sanjay. Turn this another angle and then show me. So 37, what are you doing? Sanjay, this step you show me. Fourth step, because clearly visible for me. So I think adjustment of the position, then it is visible nicely.
I need
Yeah.
to show 4
Yeah.
steps. Okay.
Okay. Correct. Okay. So Sanjay, correct. Close it. This one. Sanjay,
Okay.
second one, no?
Okay.
Second one. You saw the mechanism for that.
Methyl shifting of methyl takes place. No, sir. There are 2 methyls. One
The
methyl
second one.
shifted to the.
No, that I understand. What you have
Okay.
shown, I see. Correct. Look at me in the screen where my cursor is moving. Second problem. That mechanism you write.
Okay, I will
Second
try.
problem. I mean aliphatic to aromatic. Not aromatic.
Okay.
Cyclic. Take a snapshot and do it.
Okay, sir. I will. Okay.
Okay, you do it. Jiban, have you finished? Third one?
I'm doing it, sir.
Jivan finished, huh?
Yes, sir, but I'm doubtful towards my answer, sir.
Okay, no problem for doubt. Okay, you just show me. Sir will not score anything.
Okay, sir. 1 minute.
Jivan.
Yes, sir.
Here, please listen. You are breaking bond. That's not possible. Methyl has to shift, Jivan.
Okay.
Methyl. I will show you
Yes, sir.
one so that you can understand. Here, 1 minute.
OH.
What will happen? First step, it's become OH2 plus. Okay.
OH2 plus. Yes, sir.
The next step, it will be leaving. Okay. Once it leave,
We'll be having a plus sign over there.
Then not this bond will not break means completely lost. No.
Yes, sir.
What will happen? This methyl will be shifted. One methyl.
Okay.
Because the secondary, if methyl shift, it will be tertiary. This will be positive. Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
minus H plus. That's it.
Okay.
Is it clear, Jivan?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear for all?
Yes, sir. Transferring for methyl is where I made mistake.
Yeah, yeah. That's what I'm saying. 1 to methyl shift. You have to write.
Yes, sir.
Because why I'm slowly, these are all doing. So important for when you go higher and higher. Basic is very important. Once you're strong in these things, PG level, you will be play. You will teach for others. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Understand?
Understood, sir.
Others? Tara, did you understand, ma?
Yes, sir.
Kartika, Tara,
I got it, sir.
got it, huh? Okay. Others? Vaishnavi, you are not opening your mouth. What's happened to you? Huh? Number 5, are you there in the class? Are you working in this problem?
Yes, sir. I'm there.
There, no? Switch on your video. Have you solved the problem?
No, sir.
Why? Half an hour I'm solving the problems. You are not listening. Nobody will teach me afterwards. Nobody
I'm
will teach.
listening, sir.
College lecturers just go, they shift and like that they will say and just run like in anything. Because they will say you already know these things in schools. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Because we have not shown in one problem also. 37. Did you solve it? $37. Kartika, one more girl is there, no? NCC girl. What is number? Number of the girl?
Yes, sir.
9, sir.
9. Did you solve, ma?
Yes, sir.
Can you show me
Doing,
the
sir.
problem which is solved? Doing. So many people still lacking the arrow shooting. Kindly do it. It's good for you people, not for me. It's waste. You will be wasting your time afterwards. Okay. If I'm asking problems in the examination, you will be in trouble. You will be in so. Okay. Even I will set the paper sometime for first scoring people. It's a difficult problem. So that is why I'm telling. Please do it. Okay. This is understand, right? All of them.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir.
Sanjay, have you solved second problem?
Yes, sir,
Second
but
one.
network issue, so I
Network issues.
video. But
So,
I can
I'll try
see.
second
can
one.
anyone able to solve the second problem? What is the logic behind Sanjay? Second problem.
Sir, first H28 tertiary position will be removed, sir. OH group was because if it is stable, then that compared to that of
Yeah, you are right.
OH at
That's a beautiful.
primary.
Yeah, wait, Sanjay. See, all of them, 2 OH groups are here. That's really good, Sanjay. 2 OH groups are here. So you should be able to understand which OH is first protonated. See, my mouse is not good, so first step, you have to look which OH is protonated. Obviously, this one, because as Sanjay said, once it's protonated, once it leaves, the formation of carbocation is a tertiary. That is the major thing here. Okay. Then obviously the product is given. So cyclization. So you have to do first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, and fifth carbon, sixth is the oxygen ring. So this lone pair this lone pair starts to cyclize sigma. That's all. So you will be getting cross stitch like this. That means the O is in between, not like a something like it, because I'm doing hurry. Exactly, you see that 6 carbon, first carbon. First is suppose 6th is an oxygen. This is the first carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because I have experience, that's why I'm drawing quickly. But you should know 1 and 6 join. 1 and 6, oxygen is 6th, not carbon. Okay, so obviously next is minus H plus. This will be, that's all. It will be neutralize it. Is it clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So certain time you should apply your knowledge. It's starting material is there, product is there. So you know, by looking product you can able to really understand. These are small I mean tricks you have to apply to get the product. Is it clear? Clear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yes, sir.
Good.
Yeah.
Now, so next you see that industrial significance of methanol, ethanol, ethylene glycol, glycerol, and phenol. These are your assignment. All should write industrial significance of all 5 and also write the synthesis. Some 1 or 2 method of synthesis. All the class members kindly write it. Whenever I ask, you should submit this assignment. Is it clear?
Sir, in white paper, sir.
Which paper then you want to write, Kartika?
Just in, assignment means that normal one assignment or just a homework. I was confused, sir.
Normally write in white papers, keep it as assignments. Okay, because I don't
Yes, sir.
want beauty, outside beauty is not important. How much knowledge you are getting is important. Okay, don't judge book by cover. Okay, so I don't like this. I mean, I'm not interested of very much designing outside. Content, you must go and refer the library, write the contents and read and write. That's most important, because I may ask Viva from this question. Last year I did it. Okay, suddenly one day I will keep Viva. If you don't read and write, you will be in trouble. Okay, is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all of them, please go to library, read and write. Take some time at least. I'm not saying tomorrow itself I will ask this assignment. No, I will give enough time. Don't wait. Today I told. I may ask even after 1 month also. But suddenly I will ask, please submit tomorrow, but be ready. Okay, but I'm not rushing now. Within 2 days, 3 days, I don't do it. But I give enough time, but you have to do it. Okay, is it clear? Because
Yes,
in
sir.
exam,
Clear, sir.
sometimes they may ask, because since you are CT people, technology people, they may ask this industrial significance. Okay, why phenol is industrially important, how it industrially synthesis, how it synthesis from laboratory, everything you must be know it. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
good. Okay, preparation of phenol. Okay, this is only one method I used to take. It's industrials mostly they do it. It's cumene. What is the other name of cumene? Anybody? I already you are seeing the structure in the screen. What is the other name of cumene? What is the other name of cumene? What is the other name of cumene? Anybody? Structure you are seeing. Jivan.
Methyl benzene.
Nama?
1-methyl benzene.
No. Good for trying, but
Sir,
anybody?
one propyl benzene, sir.
No, how it's one propyl? Carbon is middle.
Carbon.
Two-phenyl propane.
2-phenyl Propane is one name. Otherwise, I'm expecting other name. Sanjay, what is other name? Huh?
Isopropyl benzene, sir.
Exactly. That's it. What's your name?
Isopropyl.
Masnaji, sir.
What is the number? 37. Yes. You have solved all the problems.
30,
I
sir.
called your number. You didn't respond. Huh?
Signal problem, sir.
Okay, ma. Okay. So it's good. Correct. It's isopropyl benzene. Look at this isopropyl group. This kind of, suppose I'm asking, synthesize phenol from isopropyl benzene. You may know cumin structure. Suppose if you may miss it. What is isopropyl benzene? I don't know. After coming out of your exam hall, you may say this is cumin is nothing but isopropyl benzene. You will just say, this is easy one. I missed it. That's why I'm telling. Whenever you study in all the angles. That may be very good. Okay. Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Okay. Next is aerial oxidations. Obviously, you will be getting OOH, hydroperoxides, oxidations. Then you use this sulfuric acids. Obviously, you'll be getting phenol as the product. The mechanism is a bit difficult. It's kind of an acetone is leaving group. But anyone, if you want to look the mechanisms, kindly go through and see it. If you're not able to do it, just let me know. I'll explain later. Okay. So, but this is one of the method of preparation of phenol. First is aerial oxidations. Obviously, next one is this. When you use sulfuric acids, the product will be phenol and propanol. Okay. Just for one method I'm highlighting, but you have to do the syllabus phenol. I mean, only industrial significance. Next, diazonium chloride. How do you synthesize phenol from diazonium chloride? You all know this, no? Aniline, when you do diazonium chloride, you'll be getting N2 plus Cl minus. Obviously, when you put it water, it will be a phenol. This already we have seen diazonium application time. Application of diazonium chloride time, we have already seen this compound. Okay. Then how do you synthesize phenol from benzene sulfonic acid? First, they do it treated with this benzene sulfonic acid treated with sodium hydroxide. You will be getting sodium sulfate of benzene sulfonate. And obviously, if you use sodium hydroxide, here the fusing will be taking place. That means sulfur dioxide will be extruded. Remaining ONA will be there. Okay, but here they wrongly written sodium is attached. It is wrong. So that's why I'm telling this is copied from maybe book. When you write properly, then only I know that you know the chemistry. O should be attached, not a sodium. Okay, if sodium is attached with that bond, I can understand this fellow do not know chemistry just for something else. Because some of the students, one biotech student, when she was writing exam time, she was writing wrongly. Actually, there is some resonance structure or something. Even though I have seen while submitting this is wrong, I said I have not taught those people, but only 10 days I went biotech people. Then I was indirectly giving a clue. Resonance is wrong, and she's still not able to pick up anything, any spot. So it shows that she does not know what is an organic, what is aeroball, how to move the arrow shooting, nothing. Okay, just product. Okay, this benzene like this, but that should not be your people. Okay, my students has to know at least how to move the bond arrow shooting. Arrow shooting is very, 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 very important. So sulfur trioxides is there. Sulfur dioxide will be eliminated. It forms ONA. Then when you add as water and HCl, obviously ONA will become OH. Okay, hydrolysis. Is it clear from benzene sulfonic acid?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Here important is sulfur dioxide will be extruded as a gas. Okay. Next one, how do you convert from chlorobenzene to phenol? How do you convert from chlorobenzene to phenol? Example, first when you do hydrolysis, obviously the intermediate of benzene is formed. Intermediate of benzene, that means O minus attach the proton and then the bond moves, chlorine bond will be eliminated. When it form a benzene, I already told you benzene is highly reactive. We can't isolate, very highly reactive. So again treated with hydroxyl, obviously we'll be getting OH and this will be negative. Then the negative charge and attracts the proton from water molecule and it will be obtained phenol as a molecule. This is the conversion of chlorobenzene to phenol. It's purely through the basis of sodium hydroxides. Purely through the basis of sodium hydroxide, because I already told you, no. Fusing. Okay. Direct to OH minus attacks chlorine is not possible. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Why? Why? Anybody from the class? Why?
Once you say it again, sir.
Sanjay, you have chlorobenzene to phenol. When you use sodium hydroxide, OH minus directly attack to this carbon, chlorine will be leaving. Then OH, this compound will be formed. But this mechanism is not possible. Why? This mechanism is not possible. Why? Very
There are two bases.
simple reason, Sanjay. Come on, just some time back only I have done it.
Two
Because
bases, sir.
Huh?
Sir, two bases only, sir.
No. Anybody? Jeevan, what is your answer? Jeevan, what is your answer? Kartika? Tara? Kartika, Tara? What is the answer? 37. What is the answer, ma? 37? Number 37.
Sir,
What is the answer for this one? What I'm asking? Direct OH minus
Mishnah,
attached. Yes, please tell me. 37. May I know what's your answer? Anybody else from the class? Anybody else from the class? Anybody else from the class? It's a very simple, man. SN2 reaction is possible or not?
No,
In backside attack, not possible because the electronic cloud blocks the backside attack. Okay, the electronic cloud of the pi orbitals of the benzene ring blocks this OH minus incoming nucleophile. Thereby, this SN2 reaction is not proceed. Because of that particular purpose, the mechanism goes like this. First, it form a benzene, not directly attack this OH on the carbon of the chlorine and then move. Is it clear? Students, is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please, that's why always compare and study why this molecule directly form phenol, but instead of this, it proceeds through the benzene intermediate. Because the reason is direct SN2 reaction is not possible in chlorobenzene. This is what we have seen in SN2 reaction. In a very short time, you people forget. Very short time. Okay. Okay. That's why the different mechanism is operating here. Then physical
No.
properties. Yes.
Sir, you're able to hear me, sir?
Now I'm able to hear you.
I changed my device, sir. Actually, power cut, so I changed into device which has mobile data.
Okay. So please, all of them should be understand this SN2 normal SN2 reaction does not proceed. That's why direct chlorine to phenol mechanism is not operating here. Okay. So it proceeds through the benzyne intermediate. So you must know this question's reasoning, because I may ask in the 2 marks actually this kind of reasoning. Why direct SN2 reaction is not possible? Otherwise, why directly phenol cannot be prepared by direct attack of OH minus on the carbon which bears chlorine. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Clear.
Physical properties we can see in the next class. Okay. Phenols I'm started actually, and after this alcohol phenols I'm just doing synthesis of phenols. Okay, then reactions. Phenol can be synthesized from cumene and aniline also. Then benzene sulfonic acid, all the methods, and then chlorobenzene. So 4 different method of synthesis of a phenol. It can be done. So we all know phenol is very highly acidic. It's due to because of resonance structure of phenoxide formation. The formation of phenoxide ion is more stable. That way the corresponding phenol is more acidic. The phenoxide ion stability is due to the resonance stabilization. That point also we already discussed, but anyway it will be going to come. Okay, is it clear today's things? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you show once again the assignment questions, sir, so that I'll take a snap of it?
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Oh, because today I'm
Done, sir.
not in Hyderabad, so I'm in Chennai now. So
Okay.
one minute. Attendance will take you. Today I'm on leave actually, supposed to be. So tomorrow is leave, no? Actually.
Yes, sir.
Number 2. Who is number 2? 4,
Yes, sir.
5,
Yes, sir.
6,
Present, sir.
7, 9, 9,
Present, sir.
10,
Sir,
Present,
8
sir.
present, sir.
8. Okay, Kartika. Okay. Maybe something wrong.
I don't know why it's not showing, but I'm present, sir.
Maybe yours is showing it.
Steven,
No. In attendance, it's showing. I don't know why sometimes. Number 3 also, I think.
sir.
Sir, 3 is also present it seems, sir.
Chiquita, huh?
Sir, roll number 20. Yes, sir.
Number
Roll
3.
number
No, okay, she's not
Sir,
answering. Yes,
sir. Roll number 3, sir.
Chiquita only, no?
Yes, sir.
You're not at all participating. Any problems? Okay, then only a sir knows, no? You are there in our net, the class.
Huge network issue, sir.
Okay, ma. I gave attendance, nothing to worry. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Then 11,
Present, sir.
13,
sir, 12 present.
Sir, 12 also there in attendee list, sir.
Okay. 12. So tell me who all attend is when I am taking. 13, 1, 3,
Present, sir.
15,
Present.
Present, sir. Sir,
16.
14 they made me in the attendee, sir. 14.
Okay. 14, 15, 16, 17,
Present, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19, 20,
Yes, sir.
21, 22.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
21 present,
22.
sir.
Okay, ma. 23,
Sir.
24.
23 present, sir.
Present,
Okay,
sir.
ma. 24.
23 present, sir.
Yes, ma. I have given 23. I have given. Don't worry. 24,
Thank you, sir.
Present, sir.
26,
Present, sir.
28. Okay, 28,
Present, sir.
29,
Yes, sir.
30,
Yes, sir.
31,
Present, sir.
34.
Sir, 33 present.
Okay. Okay, Sanjay. 34, 35, 36,
35 present,
Present,
sir.
sir. 34 also.
37. Yes, 34 is present. 37,
37 present, sir.
38,
Present, sir.
40,
Present, sir.
41. Let's see attendance list, attendees list. Now, where is attendees list? Attendees 3, 8, 12, 14, 33. Okay. Oh, who is assigning this attendees? I don't understand.
Sir, whoever the present is, sir, they can do, sir.
You all 5 are presentees, huh?
No, sir.
Then
Others
attendees.
are presentees,
Ah.
and they have made attendees now.
Who has made as attendees?
Sir,
That's what.
That we can't
Sir.
find, sir. Who exactly did it?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, that's only roll number 3, 8, 12, and 14 and 33. Only we 5 members are attendees and
Only
others.
we are attendees, sir. I don't know how.
How come, sir?
Sir, we can do it like manually pressing one profile and turning them into attendee. We can do it, sir.
No, okay. I'm giving attendance. David, students are there. What's going on in
To
your
avoid
school?
this happening in physics class, sir, what I do before itself, I come and make everyone attendee, so that attendees cannot make anyone else any options.
Yes. Okay. Okay then.
Sir, should I do the same in the chemistry class again?
Yeah, you do it. Nothing to worry. Okay. Whenever come
Okay,
class,
sir.
do it early. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
don't disturb me. You do it early. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay then. All of them, please study well and enjoy the holiday tomorrow. I think. Okay. See you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.